Hi everyone, my name is Ashley, and this is Unabashedly Poor, and here's where I share my raw, unpolished handwritten work. I am a writer. I have been a writer ever since I learned the alphabet, and ever since I learned to scribble. Releasing so much. Oh, it's really late right now. I can't sleep. I just drove myself to the pharmacy to get some melatonin, and then I came home and I was just so revved up that I wrote something, and I need to share it. It's not even that I felt compelled to share it. Like, I need to share this because I feel like it's so important. Getting into arguments with lawyers on random Facebook groups, and just realizing how completely corrupt and fucked up our system is. Excuse my language. I don't really care. I don't give a fuck anymore. I do not give a fuck. I'm just fed up. So anyways, this piece is inspired by it. I left my home in the middle of the night to find a field open and private enough to scream to the moon, howl, why? Release the day of sitting in dismay, avoiding what they try to feed me in reality. Here's this, here's that. Take this, take more. Forget the score. This is your unavoidable chore. Here's the only one. He is the only one I hate. Scum, runt, die in the pile of garbage he came from. It was never my wish to live in this petri dish, the constant mess to clean, and told I can never leave. Being me, I will leave. Just like the time I did before. But that time not planned enough afar. I will leave this time, just like this eve, when I gripped the wheel and dug my heel, tires squealing down the street. I'm more than angry. There's something awakening in me. This was where I was meant to be, to teach all of you this is not okay to do. Stop you. Break the chains. Clip the fence. Clear the path. Let me free. Let my wild horse run free. Tell that man to leave us three be. Stand back. Watch us leave. Just watch us go, even though you tried to scold us with no.